We can converse. It is a series which marks the celebration of learning and teaching English. Okay. In this series, in we can converse means हम बातचीत कर सकते हैं. So यहाँ पे हम कुछ एक sentences सीखेंगे of a foreign language which is English. Okay, and these sentences we are going to learn based on situations. So different situation पे based different sentences हम करेंगे. And the first one being introducing yourself to someone. When we have to introduce ourselves to someone unknown, how and what we should use. Okay, this is relatable to all students. Okay, anyone can use the same sentences, और आप चाहो तो अपनी तरफ से कुछ और sentences भी add कर सकते हो, but these are quite a few basic sentences that you can use. So the first one being, you have to use my name is. Okay, I live or reside in Nilokeri, which is a small town in the state of Haryana. So जब आप बता रहे हैं अपने बारे में तो आप बताओगे कि ये small town है, हरियाणा में है, या in the district of Karnal. Okay, we are talking about state. You can also talk about in the district of Karnal. Then you have to tell you are a student of standard, which standard you are studying in, and then your school's name. Okay, DAV Centenary Public School Nilokeri. And then about your parents, about your father, so your father's name. Okay, and remember, काफी बच्चे बहुत गलती करते हैं, एक यहाँ पे एक इस apostrophe s में father का, so it's possession बताता है ये शब्द. Okay, and the grammar lessons, there is a video related to this that can be watched and understood, and this topic can be understood from there. And then Mr. The second mistake here that many students make is वो Mr. या Shri नहीं लगाते. So Mr. या Shri में से आप कुछ भी लगा करके then you can tell the name of your father. Then the profession, whether your father is a businessman, so you can say my father is a businessman. For students जिनको पता है details, so आप एक sentence include कर सकते हैं about whatever the business involves, या आप simply ऐसे बता सकते हैं, या my father works in dash company or dash department, जहाँ पे भी वो काम करते हैं. Likewise about your mother, so again apostrophe s, don't forget here as well. And then Mrs. or Srimati. Then my mother is employed with dash company, so if she is working employed with dash company or dash department, or if your mother is a stay-at-home mother, then she's a homemaker. Okay, not a housewife. The current term which is in use for females जो कि अपने घर का ध्यान रखती हैं, सभी घर के लोगों का ध्यान रखती हैं, the term is homemaker. So remember to use it rightly. Then you can talk about some hobbies of yours. So आपका नाम, class, school का नाम, आपके parents के बारे में, ठीक है, then your hobbies, and you can even talk about your siblings. Okay, so कुछ sentences, I like to visit new places and get acquainted with new people. Acquainted मतलब कि जान पहचान बढ़ाना. So नई जगहों पे जाके नए लोगों को मिलना या नए culture को देखना इंटरेस्ट करता हो आपको अगर. In my leisure time, leisure मतलब कि free time या खाली समय, so the correct term here is leisure. So in my leisure I like to fly kites, draw paintings, acquire new skills, etc. etc. इसीलिए लिखा है हमने so that आप कुछ भी इसमें add कर सकते हैं. And the last one is, I follow a balanced routine by both studying and engaging in sports and other activities at fixed hours regularly. इसका मतलब है कि मैं एक बैलेंस रूटीन फॉलो करता हूँ या करती हूँ पढ़ के और स्पोर्ट्स और दूसरी एक्टिविटीज में भी इक्वली हिस्से से भाग लेकर के एट फिक्स्ड आवर्स, यानी कि एक फिक्स समय पे रोज के रोज. ठीक है, सो this is one thing that you should also be doing. So this is something you should be doing by your habit. So just a small introduction, एक छोटा सा introduction है आपका. जब आप किसी से मिलते हैं, किसी stranger से मिलते हैं, तो आपको ये कहना है, ये sentences यूज करने हैं. अगर लास्ट के कुछ sentences में कुछ स्टैंडर्ड के कुछ क्लास के बच्चों को थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी लगती है, दे कैन लीव दैट. एंड दिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टूडेंट्स हु मे बी इन स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट और सेकंड. अदरवाइज द सेम सेंटेंसेस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम इंट्रोडक्शन, ये स्टार्ट हो जाती है राइट फ्रॉम यूकेजी okay, right from upper kindergarten and then follows throughout your life. धीरे धीरे जैसे बड़े होते जाओगे इसमें बहुत सारे sentences add होते जाएंगे, but first step is कि इसको ठीक से याद करना, इसको ठीक से बोलना, याद करने के साथ साथ वो भी बहुत जरूरी है. So practice this wisely. Thank you for watching this. There are many more such videos going to be made related to situations.